Alright guys, here we have this beautiful Seagate OneTouch USB-C drive. It's a external SSD, it's 1 TB, and I've been looking for this product for so long at Best Buy, but they never had this in stock. I think this is super popular or a super rare one. I'm not sure, but this is the only Type-C hard disk from Seagate that I just saw there, and that was quite weird since we have Type-C as a industry standard kind of now. We're going to compare it quickly with the Backup Plus SIM. It's a Seagate storage itself, and without wasting any time, let's get into it. Alright, let's get into it. Let's see what's in here. And there's a seal here that needs to be opened up. Alright. Alright, so just a hanging piece. So this drive is compatible with Windows, Mac and Android on this side by side. This hard disk is compatible with Mac and PC and even mobile devices, but in certain conditions it might need to be restored, or it needs like a full formatting before you can use between these three. And they both are compatible with USB 3 and USB 2, so that means you will be able to transfer your data pretty fast. Alright, let's see what's in here. Alright, so there's the beautiful drive that I see right here, and packaging like this. So this is pretty small. I was expecting it to be a little bigger, like I'm used to using it, and it is quite light. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so we have two different connections. So one is USB-C to USB-C, and we have USB-C to USB 3.0, and we should have some paperwork for everything that we need to know about it. And oh, it comes with a SSD Touch for Android, so there's a Seagate SSD Touch app for that. On the other hand, this drive, this is already that I'm using right now, and this one comes with a USB 3 to SATA cable, as you can see here, and then it's in a plastic casing, and this one is quite heavy. This is the drive that I've been using right now. It's a 2 TB storage, and it is quite heavy. There's a LED light here, and it's a plastic casing. It's so as you can see, like once I put them next to each other, let me get rid of these. As I put them next to each other, the difference is real. It's almost like 1/3 of it. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. So once we open up, this is also a plastic casing, and I think that's a LED light indicator, and it's quite light. It's very light, it feels durable, and it has a nice metallic finish in the front. It is very lightweight, and it's like a very handy, it fits in your palm, and this is something perfect that fits in your pocket, and then it's something that you can just add your movies and some TV shows that you can watch on the go. Just plug and play in your phone. It should be pretty easy. With this, you can transfer your data up to 120 MB per second. So it's like you're going to spend way more time in creating than you just wait for it to transfer the data. It's going to be super easy. Right, so one more thing that I wanted to try out, if it is really compatible with the iPhone on the go. Alright guys, I got my iPhone charging cable, that is a type C to lightning, and let's see if this works out for this. Okay, I'm going to connect this type C into this and connect this in my phone. Let's see if it works. Let's go into files. There's no light, there's nothing in here. So this little toy is not compatible with iPhones. I'm sure it is compatible with Android. That's bad news for iPhone users, that you cannot use this on the go. I was hoping for it to use with the phone, but yeah. So tell me in comments which one you like to use, which one you are already using, and what are your reviews on this, and what are your reviews on the type C SSD. Another thing I like to mention is this is a hard disk drive. It has moving parts inside, so in long run you can damage it, but in this one it has SSD. It's a solid state drive. It is kind of damage proof, but you can drop it. It's a little bit of shock proof, and you won't be able to damage it as bad as you can damage this one. So if you're worried about like dropping them or damaging them over time, then I think you're for this SSD. So this hard disk is starting at $84.99 at Amazon, and this one is starting at $149.99 on Amazon. So if you're looking at from a higher price point and you want something for long run, you're looking for a SSD, and if you're looking for a more storage in like less price point comparative to a SSD, then you're looking for a hard disk drive. So they're equally good for now, but in long run I'm not sure how sustainable these are. Once you drop it, there are chances that you can damage it, but if you are scared of dropping it, then I think this is the one that you should go for. Rest, the speed is not a lot different, but it makes a difference in if you're transferring like large files. So this one can do up to 100 Mbps, and this one can go up to 120 Mbps. So I hope I helped you a little to make a decision, and if you made a decision using this video, please comment me, let me know, so I can make videos like this more. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.